Hello, sir. My name is Dev Chaudhary and my roll number is 24BC 503. So today I am going to demonstrate practical number 7. So in this practical, I have taken Nessus, Zap and Bandit tool. So first I am going to start with Nessus tool. So Nessus is widely used vulnerability scanner developed by Tenable. So it is designed to assess the security posture of networks, systems, and applications. It performs automated scans to detect vulnerabilities, misconfigurations, missing patches, and weak passwords across multiple platforms. It provides detailed reports with several ratings such as critical, high, medium, low. So it also supports both credentials and non-credentialed scans. So we can scan it internally and externally also. So here I have scanned in Nessus. So it takes time. So I've already performed scans. If we go here. So as you can see, it is showing ICMP timestamp request. It is low rating vulnerability, and these are all information ratings vulnerability. So it is I performed basic network scan. So in order to perform a new scan, we go to new scan and then we simply go to basic network scan and we provide our target website and then we perform the scan. Okay. So then I have used OSEP Zap scan Zap tool. So it is an open source. So Nessus is a freemium tool. So it is free for a week and then you have to pay. So in OSEP Zap, it is an open source web application security scanner. It was developed by OSEP Foundation. So it is used to identify vulnerabilities such as SQL injection, cross-site scripting, and insecure configuration through automated and manual testing. So it provides so it generates reports like this. If we go to quick start and we have given test php vulnerweb.com website. So if we click on the attack, so it will generate all the types of high, medium, low and information types of vulnerability. So in this website there is no high alert, high vulnerability, so high priority vulnerability. So there is medium, low and information. So as you can see, it is providing a description also. It is a cross-site request forgery attack. And then we have all the description for all the vulnerabilities provided in this tool. After this, I so the difference between Nessus and Zap is one is used for network and system vulnerability scan, and OSEP Zap is used for web application pen testing. So Nessus identifies configuration flaws, missing patches. Meanwhile, Zap detects SQL injection, XSS means cross-site scripting, vulnerabilities, and insecure web components. So yeah, and Nessus provides both credentialed and non-credentialed. So internally and externally, we can perform scans. Meanwhile, Zap acts as an intercepting proxy for analyzing web traffic. Then Nessus offers commercial and limited free version. Meanwhile, Zap is completely free and open source. So third one to we have used is Bandit. So it is a static code analysis tool for Python that detects common security issues in source code during development and review. So it scans Python files for insecure patterns, and it also scans for hard-coded credentials, weak cryptography, and unsafe sub-process usage. and it reports the finding with severity and confidence levels. Its output includes line references, issues description, suggested recommendations, and can be exported in multiple formats. So now, if I go into VS Code, so this is the vulnerable code, and this is the secure code. So it basically performs the same. Does the, okay. So if I run this, okay, secure.py. So in secure, we provide API key, then only we can access. Okay. So now if I use bandit on the vulnerable code, so it will show me all the errors. So there are three errors, a low and one medium error and high to high errors. So if I go here, so here we have we basically here have five types of error. First is B105. So it is hard coded password or key error. Then we have B307. If we use eval function, so it gives B307 error. Then we have B303 error. So if we use MD5 hash function, so it is a weak hash function, so it gives error. Then we have sub process with shell equals to true. So if we use share equals to true, so it gives B602 error. And if we use B101 error, so it is a assert for validation error. If we use assert for validation, so it will give us a vulnerability. And then if we go into secure, so there will be less error. So as you can see, there is only one low by severity, one low error by severity. So if we want to, in order to use Bandit, we first have to install, as it is installed in my system, so I do not have to install it again. Yeah, so now these are the how scans, these scans were done, and then I've generated, I've put all the screenshots of all the tools. So that is it for my practical number 7.